This rig is also going to be coming with tools. I'm going to give you all the tools that you need to run the rig. The breakdown hammers, bit boxes, everything that I have, because they only fit this machine. And they come with the rig itself. There is, like I said, there's a lot of things that I know about the machine, which I plan to tell the new owner. So he'll have it, so just when it comes time to fix it, you'll know how to fix it, you know, to get the things. Some things you fix very rarely, other things you fix often. Powerhead. Powerhead's been rebuilt 80%, but you will be taking it apart because you're going to wind up doing water swivels. I'm working my way over to the rig here. You're going to be doing water swivels. And I found an easy way to do that. The last time I did it was, I made it so much easier. New rotation pumps and motor. It's got real strong power on rotation now. I never had the power like I have now. Of course, now it's going to be someone else's, but it really pushes. It'll really dig. Okay, any questions, give a call. Otherwise, have a great day.